Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Juke key fob only way. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a clean cloth. Next, pry gently at the seam near the key ring while avoiding the circuit board. Remove the battery by sliding it out on the notch side. Keep track of springs and buttons, then reverse steps to reassemble and test the fob. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Juke key fob only way. Lay the fob face down on the cloth and locate the seam along the edge. Insert the screwdriver gently into the seam near the key ring and apply steady, controlled pressure. Twist just enough to separate the halves, then lift them apart. Work slowly to avoid bending the case or dislodging internal clips. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Juke key fob only way. Quick recommendation: grab an Echo Dot smart speaker for easy voice control while you work, and use timers or music to keep tasks on track. It's compact and fits on a workbench or shelf without cluttering your space. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Juke key fob only way. Once the halves are open, observe the battery orientation and any small retaining clips. Gently pry the battery out using a plastic tool or fingertip, avoiding contact with the circuit board. If replacing the battery, press the new CR 2025 into place matching polarity. Reassemble the case, snap clips together, and test buttons to confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.